Okay, today we have a super short little tutorial on how to run queues in QLab, and it's a very easy process. You see this giant go button up here? I typically ignore that because when I'm working a show, I want to be moving the mouse as little as possible. And QLab is set so that it will progress from each queue to the next automatically, so you really don't need to be messing with the mouse. And so the easiest way to progress a queue in QLab is just hit the space bar, and once you do that, the queue will automatically play. You'll see it playing over here. This will give you the progress, how much time has elapsed. The fastest way to get out of the space, or get out of the queue, because say that was the wrong queue to play, just hit escape. And that way you have total control over the how the queues are running, which queues are running, just by using the keyboard. You can also move down through the queues using the arrows, up and down arrows. But that's the easiest thing. Just hit the space bar, hit escape. And so just to show you that again, here the queue is 9 seconds 59. It's almost 10 seconds long. You hit space, you see the queue running, you hit escape, and over here you'll see that little circle that tells you it's getting out of the queue. So I hope that helps. Have a great day.